YouTube.
This is Fabian and I'm today we went to buy the mystery box. It was first set at $35 and then we were like, oh, we don't know what's in the box. We don't want to buy it for $35. Oh, we have poor lighting. Lighting is so bad. Lighting is so bad. So we're like, oh, we want to know how much it is. So we finally paid. Guess how much? Guess how much? Guess how much? Drum roll, drum roll. We paid a whooping
$5.
We paid $5 for this. We paid $5 for this, guys. Can you believe it? We paid $5. $5. Bro. $5.
Open it. I can't wait.
So let's open it to see what is in the box. So what's in the box? So open the box. So open the box. So
Wow, are this for me?
How is it for you?
This is just.
Oh, there are boxes. This is hangs. This is a medium. Oh, that's not bad. This is Goodfellas. This is large. 5-piece. Ooh,
This is
so
just
not
men
bad.
stuff.
This is just men small. Wow. For $5, bro.
What are we gonna do
This
with
is
it?
a steal. Good question.
What are we gonna do
Good
with this?
question. This is Goodfellas again. Wow, for $5, guys. This is just like we have to go back again. And we almost paid $35. After the bidding was over and everything, we were like, oh, let's see the cheap one. Let's just get whatever it is and see how it goes. Da 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 da. Wow, guys. Like, look at the floor. This is a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. We should get this all the time. I'm telling you. Mystery box. That's what's up. This is a huge deal. And these are all men. They should have the ones for kids.
Batman.
Kids or young teenager. Yeah. This is
Ooh.
Batman. This is not Batman.
That's
SpongeBob.
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. Oh.
And this is Minion. Can I keep this?
If it's your size, of course. Why not? For $5, guys. $5 for all of this.
Can you stop? Oh my people's gonna be watching this and they don't want to see you sing.
$5, guys. Man, this is a lot of stuff.
I love the box.
It's a lot of stuff.
The box, man.
A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Come back. Clean up, everybody. I think we should do something like counting how many pieces are there in it. Wow. Put that one inside. You want to try it?
Yeah.
I'll try to see if it fit. We have to take off your clothes. And people are going to see you naked. Boy, go in the bathroom and try it on, man. You fool. These guys, don't realize he was going to try it on. Mystery box, $35 for $5. I wonder why they wanted to sell it for $35. But it said Walmart, so I kept thinking like, oh, probably like books or stationaries and stuff. Oh, it does fit.
It fits.
Oh, it does fit.
Workout.
It does fit. Turn around, let me see. Oh, okay. See. Woo! That's right, Fabian and Mom. That's right. Thank you guys for watching. This is where we say goodbye. And we have a new video up. The mukbang we did, the African mukbang for the Black History Month. It was so awesome. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Watch the video. Thank you guys for always watching. You have something to say to the peeps?
Keep up with your wallet.
Keep up with your wallet. Don't overspend. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.